Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to make reels on Facebook. If you've yet not created any reels on your Facebook, then make sure you watch this video, because after this video you'll know how you can create one. Now from the home screen of your Facebook, tap on your profile icon on the top left, and on your profile you'll be able to see an option of create reel. If you tap on it, it will show you all of the pictures and videos of your gallery. Now to select a video, you can simply tap on it, but if you want to select multiple videos, you can select this option which says select multiple, and you'll be able to choose multiple photos or videos from your gallery. After the video has been selected, you will get a similar interface. Now from here you'll be able to add in audios, text, effects and stickers. If you tap on audio, you'll again have two options if you want to add audio from Facebook, or you can also add in voiceovers. Tap on add music and select the music that you want to add. After the music has been selected, you can also add in text, you can add in effects to this reel and even stickers. After you added all the things that you want, you can now tap on next on the bottom right. Now before you post, make sure that you've selected public if you want to post it to everyone on Facebook. You can also select friends or friends accept, and you can exclude the people that you don't want the reels to be viewed. After that, you can also add in captions and hashtags to your reels so that it can get more reach. Now after that, tap on share reel on the bottom. It will take a few seconds to the reel to be posted. After the reel has been posted, you can tap on this reels option right here, and you'll be able to see the reels that you've posted. So that was the step-by-step process on how you can make reels on Facebook. If you guys liked and found this video useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.